Turn that fan over here so we're like blowing in the wind.
Our hair's blowing in the wind?
It's hot.
I never realized how large of a person I am until I stand next to somebody on camera and I'm like, oh, I'm fat.
Yeah.
Damn, boy, he's thick!
There we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to be building a paint booth out of PVC pipe and plastic. Got our list behind us. Mason's joining us.
What's up, guys?
That looked almost really weird, like I was going to touch your face.
It doesn't matter what we do. There's so many stupid people in this world. We're never going to survive anyway. So touch your face. Just touch it. Just touch it.
He's back from the depths of Houston, where
Yeah.
people go to get careers and crap like that nobody actually wants.
No one likes Houston.
It's hot. We're going to buy all this crap behind us. It's going to be a 24 by 14, 12? Something like that. Something like that. Paint booth that's going to drop down to the ceiling so we can put it back up. Because we'll paint Frankie's car soon and my car eventually. Sometime. And that way we can just keep reusing the same paint booth and it's super easy to put away. So we're going to go buy supplies and we'll be right back.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so our original plan was to go 24 by 12, but they sold PVC in 10-foot sticks, so now we're looking at 30 by 20, which we don't know if it's going to fit in the shop. So we'll probably just take a sawzall to it to make it. That is almost out of the shop. We don't need 30 feet. No, we don't need 30 feet.
It's hot. Oh my god.
So I guess we're going to do the 24 by 12 and just cut this. Or 24 by 14? 25 by 15. Brilliant. Alright, I'm going to time lapse this.
So now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
So this is our paint booth. It's gone through like 7 different iterations, but basically what we decided is we built our structure up top to hold all of the plastic, and it's being held up by strings on different roof supports and whatnot. And then we decided to put these supports that go straight to the ground. No, they're not held in by anything, but they're holding there just fine, and it'll be good enough for what we have. We ran out of Gorilla Tape and we had a little bit of gaff tape, so that's what's kind of being used to hold a lot of the tarp. And we've placed a fan to suck air out with filters, and then we've got filters on the back side so it can pull in clean air from there, which causes a vacuum. And you can see it a little bit on like the walls, and they'll all come in when we close up the door, but we're going to do that after we drive the car in. So right now Frankie and Mason are prepping the Beamer.
Prep work.
Don't look at the camera.
I'm supposed to look at the camera.
My aluminum's showing.
Yeah, I saw that earlier.
Forgot about that. Filler primer. That's what it's for, right?
Yeah. So how long have you been sanding the car, Mason?
A couple times a week for 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
Okay. Frankie, when are we doing your car?
Probably never at this rate. Just wants to blow up all the time. Hashtag 240 life.
Paint booth. Good morning. It is the next morning. It is way too early. Mason got us up way too early. The paint booth is built.
What's up?
And we are about to throw down a couple tack cloths, which I refuse to do without gloves because they're sticky. And We're gonna paint the car the special color to be revealed. It's white. Mason spent a lot of time doing all the tape work. It looks good. The paint booth is amazing. As you can see, airtight, completely sealed all the way around. It's gonna be great. There's not gonna be any overspray, so we're not really worried about it. And if there is no other car here, it's worth a damn anyway yet, so it doesn't matter. So we're about to mix up some primer, and Mason will shoot it, and I'll film without trying to get all the overspray on the camera. Good morning. So right now Mason is trying to prime the concrete. No, I'm just kidding. He's running lacquer thinner through the gun, trying to get all the oils and everything that were out of there originally. He's also gonna try to get the spray pattern he wants and dial in the PSI and all of that for when he actually sprays the primer. But really just trying to clean out a brand new gun is key, so that you don't get a whole bunch of crap that you didn't know was in the gun in your paint job. So there's the fun fact for the day.
This is what I'm doing. Mixing ratio, dry time, tip size, pressure. Let's try to do it, I guess. Do you know how to read these things?
Look at that color! It's the primer. Did you mix it at all?
No, not yet. I probably should shake it, huh?
Yeah.
Because I have mixing sticks. Ow!
I'm gonna play,
Make me look like a fool.
Play Taylor Swift, Shake It Off. Right here. Look at that less liquidy color, it's still gray. So, fun facts with ratios. We got our 4:1:1, that's what we're using. So we're gonna go to 3. We went to 3 with the primer, we went to 3 with the activator, now we're about to go 3 with the reducer. That's just with what we're using. So you can do that on any of these. You'd go up to, like, if you're going to use the quantity of 3, then you go up to the next 3 for the next part. So ours, we went to 3, 3, and 3, and the next one we'll go up to 3. You can go 2, 2, and 2, or 1, 1, and 1. Just make sure you stay consistent. Look at that pretty color. So Mason is in there spraying the car right now because he was impatient, didn't want to wait. I'm just kidding, but here's that.
Doesn't mean I lost my darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
Alright guys, as y'all can see, there is no big tarps behind me anymore. We've actually finished painting. Mason was doing a lot of the painting while I was at work, so I didn't get to film a whole bunch, but I did get the part in there where he was putting it all together, so that's as best as I can do. But now, oh god, it looks so sick. Now, check out the car. Was that sick or what? I think For as little as it costs, the way it came out was so good. So he did a great job painting it. He told me that he's going to run 3,000 grit wet sand on the car, see how that turns out. But the new wheels and tires setup, plus the white, it's like a satin right now, looks so good. You know, it's just not our normal weekly episodes, which usually drop on Wednesday-ish, sometimes when we get them out on Wednesdays. Oh, there he is. Good, you showed up just in time for the outro. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for the episode. Mason did an amazing job. Turned out really good.
Yeah.
So,
Super pumped on it.
what's your favorite part?
That it's all one color now. It's not like 7 different shades of black.
I think the wheels have got to be my favorite.
Yeah,
not
no,
gonna lie.
definitely. The wheel's way better than I even expected. So.
Well, sweet, man. So, y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out anything on future videos with the Beamer or the Datsun, which is almost nowhere near that.
Give it a few years.
Years? I have it done in 3 months, don't worry.
Okay.
I will link Mason's Instagram in the description below, and you can find mine there as well. So, we will catch y'all next time.
Later.